Local news for Wednesday the 28th of February. This Saturday is your chance to learn about the history of Wairarapa Moana from Ra Smith of Ngāti Kahungunu. Those interested will travel by bus around Wairarapa Moana with stop-offs at key spots where you'll hear stories of the past and learn about the more unique wetlands and the role of the hapu in restoring this natural resource. Yuko Wairarapa held their start of the year market day yesterday, students taking part in games such as tug-of-war, volleyball, swing ball and enjoying stalls from a number of key local organisations and clubs. And in sport, it's congratulations to the 5 Wairarapa age grade cricket sides who participated in the annual Hutt Districts Exchange last weekend and defended the Right Perry successfully with 4 victories to 1. And good luck to the bowlers in the New Zealand Fire Brigade Nationals beginning today at the Lansdowne Bowling Club.